Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to accept pending transactions on Cash App. This process ensures you receive funds sent to you, requiring just a few taps within the application. We'll cover finding these payments, confirming details, and successfully adding them to your balance. It's a straightforward way to manage your incoming money. To begin, open your Cash App on your phone. Navigate to the Activity tab, which looks like a clock icon at the bottom of your screen. Here, you will see a list of all your recent transactions. Scan through this list to locate any payments that are currently marked as pending. Once you've found the pending transaction, tap on it to view the details. Carefully review the sender's information to ensure it's from a trusted source. If everything looks correct, simply tap the Accept button. The funds will then be transferred directly into your Cash App balance, ready for use. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your Cash App is updated to its latest version. Also, double-check that your linked bank account or debit card is active and correctly connected. If problems persist, don't hesitate to reach out to Cash App support directly through the app for further assistance. They can help resolve more complex situations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.